Happiness grows where gratitude lives. Yes, it does, man. Because when you have gratitude, you're happy with what you have. You're happy with you. You're happy with things that are around you. You're finding ways to give thanks no matter how big or how small. That's what helps me in my journey as well, man. Gratitude. As opposed to saying, oh man, I gotta do this. I'm not getting the views I want, the support I want. I can be like, you know what? I'm grateful. I get to come out here and be myself. I get to come out here and do what I enjoy. You understand what I'm saying? That's amazing. Happiness lives where gratitude is, man. When you're happy and you appreciate the things you have, it just makes everything much more better. You understand what I'm saying? Because you're grateful for it. But when you're ungrateful, you'll never have appreciation. No matter what happens, no matter what somebody does, no matter what comes your way, you will never see the good in it. You probably won't even be satisfied. You understand? But when you can find happiness in yourself, it just adds to you as a person. It just makes everything 100% more better, 10 times better. You understand what I'm saying? Because now you're finding meaning in the situations or the experiences or the things that you receive or go through in life. You understand? And I think that's very important, man. Having gratitude every day you wake up, having gratitude when you drive and you make it home safely, having gratitude as you're walking on the beach, that you're able to enjoy a good experience and make it back to wherever you started. You understand what I'm saying? Gratitude is very important. And when you can have that, you'll feel happy. But imagine walking down the beach, then you get back and you're like, oh man, I don't got to the poem, frustrated. You missed the blessing and enjoying the process of you just being able to do what you wanted to do and live in that moment. So always remember, happiness lives where gratitude is.
Yeah, what up? You were rocking with the one and only D. Man, I've been doing this for a minute and now it's time to go harder and switch up the format. So I'm going to be coming faster, harder, sharper, and shorter. But you know, the goal is to get it, man. I've been doing this for almost over 15 years, man. That's a long time. So it's time to really put my head into this and go beyond what I feel I can do. And I cannot do it without you. But it starts with me first. So I got to push myself and work hard every day. I drop so much content. If you do not know who I am Dio Dman, DAYODMAN. Check me out, motivational speaker. I love to spread positivity and do interviews and travel around and just put good things into the world, man. We are here to get it. We are here to win. So just stay tuned for more, man, because I got a lot more on the way. I want to see you get it, and I am here to get it. Hey, look, man, if you do not push yourself, nobody else will. So let's get it.